Hi, my name's Scott Morrison. I'm the founder and the bringer of The Boom. I've spent 20 years working in various businesses, both agency and client side. Everything from Saatchi & Saatchi and Wieden & Kennedy. I've run the Nike business, I work for Levi's, I work for Activision, I launched Guitar Hero in the UK. And my last job before I started my own company was I was the marketing commercial director for Diesel. So I had a lot of fun doing what I did. Okay, listen, let me give you two things, okay? The first thing, I always ask everybody that I ever meet and I ever work with and everything I do, I do two things actually. I give them 5 minutes, but I also ask what fires them up. And that's what I'm being asked now. What fires me up? But what fires me up is I think that businesses need to be more creative. People in business, leaders in business, need to create more leaders. And as such, we need to create an environment for people to unleash their boom. The boom is the inner animal, this creative, visceral, curious animal that lives inside of us. And when I ask people, are you creative? A lot of people say, no, I'm not. And I say, no, yes, you are. Okay? And what I absolutely am passionate about, what really fires me up, is helping people understand and realise how creative they are, and then helping them deliver that creativity in their organisation. Creating brilliant environments in which people can do the best thing they can possibly do, and making them the best leaders that they can possibly be. That is what fires me up.